Alright, so I'm installing my new slip-on exhaust from Shark, I think it is. Yeah, Shark Road. First time really doing the install of this. Nah, not really. I did one on my Sportster 883. It was pretty fun. But we'll see how this goes. Some air filter stuff. That's pretty much it. Nothing other than that. But we get into this video. I guess you can call it a tutorial. Hope you guys like it. First up, what I'm gonna do though is I'm gonna turn it on, let you guys hear what it sounds like right now with the stock exhaust on it. It's my Harley. This here bad boy. Harley 88. I'm not saying 883. Used to have 883, not anymore. But yeah, it's my Harley, guys. Street Glide 2019 Billiard Blue. Yeah, it's a beast. It's a beast. But still got the stock exhaust on it, as you can see. I'm gonna get rid of those, but I'm gonna take a quick video, let you guys hear what it sounds like, and go from there. Alright, that's what she sounds like. Cold start. It's a stock exhaust, so let's just get and see what it sounds like with the new exhaust. I do my best to try to keep you guys on the in frame and focus. So yeah, here we go. Alright, so here's the product, Shark Road. Slip-on exhaust. Got it off Amazon. All the reviews I read were great. So I'll see what it is, how easy it is. It says it's easy. It says it's gonna be like 25 minutes tops to get this on. Hopefully it takes me that long. If it doesn't, it just doesn't, but we'll see. Alright guys. Alright, I'm unboxing this puppy. Let's see what it has inside. Let's see what it came with. Yeah, I took my name off. Duh. Don't be a dummy. Let's see. I should be able to get this off. Use manpower. Yep. Little man power. Still don't even know if I'm gonna put this on YouTube yet. I probably will. We'll see. Shouldn't really be much in here, but the freaking slip-ons and maybe some bolts. I think I might use the factory bolts that came with it. Comes with this focus camera. Camera doesn't want to focus, but anyway, it comes with this right here. Nice little kit of bolts. The camera doesn't want to autofocus. Guess all I have to do is, there we go. Okay, comes with those. Let's see what else we got. All nicely wrapped. These puppies. Man, it's 4-inch. This thing is huge, man. Much bigger than what I already have. The stock, I think the stocks are like, maybe I want to say like 3.5. Oh, I'm trying to get this off so you guys can see it. That's what it looks like up top. Whoa, don't want to do that. That's what it looks like up top. Nice look. Flip that thing over. Alright, so that's it. All black. It's blacked out. Blacked out, baby. Blacked out. Yeah, man, it looks like it's gonna be all stock, everything. So, like, I don't think I'll need these other bolts, but we'll see. Alright, see you on the slip-on. Alright, so first thing I want to do is unbolt these saddlebags. These things are like the easiest things ever to get off. Like, literally, lefty-loosey. Just those lefty-loosey. My camera like to focus on what it wants to focus on. Anywho, you get the gist. Lefty-loosey. Come on out of there. That's one. Second one. Come on, focus. There you go. Same thing. Might be a little tight at first. I'm doing this with one hand. But they won't really fall unless you gotta pick them up. So it's alright. I got my knee behind it anyway, so even if it decides to want to tip over like so, make sure you close it up. Close it back up. Oh, get you guys some black levers for your saddlebag so it matches the rest of the black that comes on these bikes, like the exhaust. Even if it's stock, just that's something simple. Got the bullet antenna. Kind of sucks in the country, but I mean, city. I usually am in the city on the highway. I get pretty good reception with that thing. Smoke tail lights, turn signals, I should say, and tail lights. Yeah, tail lights. What else have I done? I kind of get sidetracked with these things, but anywho, just take off the saddlebag, and that will pretty much get you ready to go. So we got to get this bolt off. These two bolts here, and then there's one more bolt that connects in there, which is, I believe, right underneath, which is there. That bolt, that's got to come off. It basically loosens up. It's a clamp. Loosens up that clamp so that you can slide off the slip-on. That's pretty much it. Just those three, and this should come off. All right, guys. Let's see. All right, here we go. So that I didn't mention, it's a 13 bolt that's in there. Pretty easy to get off. Honestly, shouldn't take too much effort. Just cut your hands. There we go. Nice and easy. Loosen them up. So honestly, I think I'm gonna start with those two. Get them loose. Something so I can hand loosen the rest, or hand spin off the rest of the way. I'm also going to get this other bolt that's underneath here. That doesn't feel like it's a 13. Let's see. Nope, it's going to be a step up. Let's guess. Guessing game. 14. And I'm right. 14. So the bolt underneath that has to loosen up the C-clamp. That's there. It's a 14. And that should come on too. Basically, it just loosens it up. You don't have to take the whole thing off. Just loosen it, because you're going to put it back on. So you're going to reuse those clips that's on the right up here. You're going to reuse those clips, so make sure you keep them on. That's nice and loose. Let me go ahead and take out the other two bolts from the back. I'll do it with my hand. Nice and easy. One, they're pretty short too. Looks similar to what I saw in the packet. Again, it's not gonna fall because you have it still in here inside of the slip-on part. So after you do that, you wanna come around, take your time, wiggle it, wiggle this thing. This should come off without too much work. Mine have been on there for a little while now. I know it's 2019, but I've ridden this thing. It's coming, it's slow. All right, here we go. One down. And again, make sure you keep the clamp that was on the end of here. Make sure you keep that clamp. You're gonna need it. I'm just gonna sit these to the side. So, I'm gonna show you guys the difference between the diameters of this thing. So if you look at them, I mean, it's obvious to me the difference in these things. It's crazy. This one's a 4-inch. Right beside it is a 3. I think it's a 3, but I don't know what Harley puts on these things stock, but that's what it is. That's what it says. All right. What they didn't tell me is I think that to remove the baffle out of this thing, I don't think it has a baffle. Honestly, I think it just goes literally right on in place where the other one was. Try to see which one is which. I don't see the indentation that was on the other one. But my guess is it's gotta go on. I'm gonna guess that the one with the smaller end, because one has a smaller end. Now I can show you. So these are the new ones. One has a smaller end than the other. So my guess is the smaller end goes on your left hand side of your bike, clutch side. So what you want to do, like I said, you're going to reuse this. So we're going to put that on. Actually got to loosen it up a little bit. Now loosen this up a little bit so that I can get it on the pipe itself. Alright, I think that's plenty loose. Let's see. Yep, slides right on. Nice. Okay, now time to slide it on in place. And honestly, it should just slide right in. Just like so. I mean, that can't be any easier, guys. Can't be any easier than that. They gave me different bolts. Let me grab the bolts just in case. I'll take a look at them. See if I actually need them. Didn't really come with instructions, but again, got these from Amazon, so Not sure how many instructions I would get anyway. But let's see. Let's see if, first of all, let's see if what I have will actually fit. We'll just hand tighten it for now. I mean, it looks like it does fit, but you know, I'm a little nervous about using it. So what I think I'm going to do, I'm going to actually, I think I'm going to just go ahead and use the ones that the bike came with, or the pack came with. I'll show you what I mean as far as the size goes. The thread depth on these on this new one is a little different, and I think there might be a reason for that. So there's a locking washer that goes with it, as well as a washer. So this is the original one. If my camera will focus. Okay, well, anywho, this is the original one, and this is the other one with the locking washer on it. They really look about the same size, but they're different. Oh crap, I get my hand together, you can see they're different. So this one is the new one. It's a little longer, so I think I'm gonna go with these just to make sure that it goes on correctly. I don't want any issues with this thing falling off or doing anything crazy, so let's just go ahead and use what they provide. They know what's best, and yeah, it's even going in a lot easier. And it's a different size bolt head as well. So they gave me 4, 5, even 5 actually. I don't know why they gave me 5. I don't know, maybe it's extra. But anywho, I'm gonna use it. So like I said, it's a washer and a locking washer as well. I'm using both. And I'll put that on. Second one. Just finger tighten for now. Just to make sure it's good. Right in the right spot. Don't want anything bent or anything like that. Nice and in the middle. And then we'll go back and tighten up the clamp that goes around this thing, and then we should be good. So let me grab my tools. And for this, I'm going to get on the ground. Just a little bit. Loosen it up a little bit so I can move it around. Just a little. It's already loose enough. It should be just fine, but I want to get it all the way up, right at the top of that groove that's on there. There's a groove. If you get it, you'll see it. There's a groove on there. I just wanted to get it right at the top of that groove. And now I'm going to tighten it down. Don't be alarmed. It is shaking, but it's okay. Alright, so that is plenty tight. As tight as I can get it. I don't know if you have to go that tight, but I did. And let's see what size these are. I think they're going to be a 10. And my guess is correct. So these are a 10. The new bolts that they come with. Again, you don't need the new bolt for the C clamp, but you do need to, I think you should use the new bolt for the rear bracket where the slip-on goes. Alright, so that is the left side all done. I'll do the right side. You guys don't really have to watch me do that. It's pretty much rinse and repeat. And once I'm done, I will check back in and let you guys know what it sounds like. Alright guys, now we're all done. Both sides are finished, and let's see what it sounds like. Let's see. Here we go. Might be too loud for the camera to really pick it up, but we shall see. Big difference. Big difference. I don't know if you guys can hear it like I can, but this is, oh, it's a big difference. This thing sounds nice. Let's see if I can get myself in the sun. These things sound nice. Well, Amazon purchase, Shark Road. Great job, guys. All I can say is whoa. All I can say is whoa. Let me hit it one more time for you.